Hi, Ginny here. Just wanted to show you my project with GenStone. This was a blank sheetrock wall. It was an era where we took out a non-functional fireplace and I wanted to have an accent wall. And we worked with Ellie, who was our project manager at GenStone. We found the videos incredibly helpful online on how to do the install. Never in my life had I used a table saw. Used that with no problem, cut very easy. We chose the iron ore because this room happens to be a lot of white and bright colors, and so we wanted something to accent. Very happy. We put the mantle in around it, and we're just super happy with the look. Very easy to use the product. It looks great. We've had many compliments on it from neighbors and family who've come to visit us, and it's very durable. We've really been impressed with the support and the help at GenStone, and am very happy with overall the product. So wanted you to see this. Thanks a lot. Highly recommend the product, and probably will use this again in the future for something else outside our house.